How to fix Instagram comments not showing in less than 50 seconds. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the comments not showing or not loading in less than 50 seconds. Yes, easily and fast. First thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to the apps here again in the top and then click on the Instagram app. After that, all what you have to do now is click on the force stop option. Right here, all what you have to do now is go down to notifications management, scroll and make sure that all those options from the product announcement to the badges, everything should be enabled like this. And then go back, click on the data usage, scroll down and do the same thing, but this time you have to turn off the background data and turn it on again. Then go back, click here on force stop again, and after that restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much.